A warm welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Today's video is a video production hints and tips. If you're someone that's getting into YouTube, whether to cover aspects of your trade, your business, the job that you do, like for myself, commercial cleaning, window cleaning, I use cameras an awful lot to film and publish things that I'm doing to create content for YouTube. You could be a blogger, you could be somebody that makes cakes, you could be someone that repairs watches, power tools, anything where you're using cameras and microphones to help you with YouTube video production. This tip might help you. So if you're filming and you wanted to film something on a worktop, sometimes it's hard to establish a camera mount or a camera position to have a camera that's slightly overhead of you to help film what's below on a worktop. So you could be somebody, for example, let's think of something. You could be someone that's into amateur electronics and you like to make videos of you fault finding and repairing things, and you wanted a camera overhead. So this little trick here I've got works very well. There's two adaptations to this idea. So what I'm using is an Anglepoise style retractable or articulated arm. So for a lot of us people that were born before the 80s, Anglepoise was a very famous desk lamp company, which I think was French, maybe British, I'm not too sure. And they designed a table lamp with a very heavy weighted base and this style of articulated arm that has springs, thus meaning it can be moved into a multiple positions. You can have it closer, and these are designed for studio microphones. I do use one for a studio microphone, but I also bought a second one for not a lot of money. I think it was about £12 to £13 on Amazon. All I've done is bought an adapter collar which fits onto the microphone thread. I can't remember what the thread on a microphone is now, it might be 3/8 or something. So where your microphone would normally go on, I bought an adapter. These are stainless steel. These were actually made in the UK, and that screws onto the microphone stud, and then it has a 1/4-20 generic camera screw thread on the bottom. So for me, for making a video, I've got my GoPro mounted onto a standard GoPro mount with the adapter onto the microphone mount. This can be moved into many positions, and then when you move the arm and articulate the arm, the camera pretty much stays in the same place. But if you're doing a video where you're requiring point of view and a camera overhead of you while working on a desk or a worktop, workbench, this might be a brilliant solution for you. It works for me. I can make a video for YouTube. I can stand beside it and have my hands around it while filming overhead without having a tripod or another form of camera mounting position on the table in front of me, obscuring my view and getting in my way. Another idea I've got, which I use quite a lot, is a microphone or a boom microphone. So if you get a boom up microphone stand, a very good quality one, you can find them on Amazon for like £30, Stag. There's lots of companies that make them. Get yourself a boom microphone stand, put a weighted sandbag on the base of that, then have the pole, have the boom upwards, and then on the end of the boom, put one of these adapters, and then you can have a camera tripod that's mounted a lot higher, and you can have the camera a good 8 feet in the air, then looking down on top to help film your videos. But I thought I'd share that because I know a lot of people that like to get into YouTube, a lot of people that make videos, whether you're someone that's on TikTok and you wanted to make a little reel or something of you filming something, this idea might be something that helps you out. But it's an articulated camera arm. You can find them on Amazon under studio microphone mounts or stands. Very affordable, very versatile, and they're brilliant for mounting cameras, microphones, you know, cameras up to mirrorless, handheld compact sizes. And then you can also as well tighten up the arm to increase its resistance, make it stiffer. And you can also swap out and buy heavier quality springs, so you've got more tension and resistance on the arm, meaning you can put a slightly heavier weight on the arm end without it sinking. But yeah, it rotates as well. goes up and down, and you could also then film an overhead shot. And then if you wanted to bring the camera closer to your work while filming, you just simply pull it down and then it hovers over the worktop and over your subject for your filming. But if you enjoyed that video, you found it helpful, please subscribe, help my channel grow. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't like it. Any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. But thank you very much for watching AW Services.